everyone, I'm Shirley. Today we will be making buttermilk mashed potatoes. For the full recipe, please refer to the description box below. So now let's get started. Prepare half cup of milk, stir in half tablespoon of vinegar and leave it to set. Cut 3 medium-sized potatoes into big chunks. Get ready your cooking wok, fill with water, sprinkle with some salt in it and put in the potatoes. Cook them for around 15 minutes or until tender. After that, drain them. In a large bowl, put in the potatoes, butter, buttermilk, season with some salt and pepper. I'm adding in a pinch of cayenne. This is optional. Mashing time. At this point of time, I'm adding in some Parmigiano cheese. Optional too. Give it a quick mix. Transfer to a plate. Time for serving. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.